Hello and welcome to the channel Everything Shakes and More, or welcome back if you're returning. We made a salted caramel brownie protein milkshake. To begin, we squeezed some Hershey's chocolate syrup and Hershey's caramel syrup around the glass and set it aside for later. Now you will need some ice, several scoops of Bluebell's salted caramel brownie ice cream, 30 grams of a vanilla protein powder, and a Betty Crocker's salted caramel brownie, 1/4 cup of milk, pour the shake into the glass, add a brownie on top, add some whipped cream, top with brownie pieces, squeeze some Hershey's caramel syrup and some Hershey's chocolate syrup, insert a straw and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And check out our other content.